maybe part 2, not sure. So this is where we're at. Kind of shaped it out, put a couple of different lines here, so some bigger feathers, smaller feathers, and then the tail feathers. All right, and then just, I don't know, I just felt like doing some grooves in there for some reason, so when I do the actual feathering, it might stick out different. I'm doing something different. So today, right now, I'm working on is the breast feathers. Yeah, that'd be the breast feathers. So all I'm using is our Cutsall, the rounded one, and I'm just doing little circles. I'll show you. Let's get down here and show you guys what I'm doing. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of progress. So I'm just using this guy again, a little Chinese bit, and all I'm doing is I'm just making feathering, and then I'm just going to sand it down. So what I'm working on now is the belly part. So I'll show you a couple things, a couple times, what I'm doing. Just rounding it out. See, it's undercutting here. I'm gonna finish it up. I'm right back. I put all the feathers in. I didn't show you that process because, oh my god, that's a pain in the ass, and it's a long process, and all it is the razor tip and just doing those little cut marks in there. And then I took a torch to it so you could see. Now we're gonna bring it in to the house, and we're gonna paint it. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we are gonna use our new little add-ons to see, because the first question was, is it in, does it get in your way? Well, I can't see it getting in my way at all, even if I had to get close to stuff. So we are just adding white. Kind of comfortable because you can put your fingers underneath, like these two here. It lets me hold on a lot better to it. Just gonna add our white first. We're using an ink today. It's called well, they're Amsterdam's, and this is it's an acrylic ink. You guys ever seen these ones before? I get them from Michael's. Like them. So we could really just open up the airbrush and just spray, because we're sort of putting a base coat of white. And we have our fans on, so that's a great thing. And you can really see pulls out the feathering in there pretty good. You can see that very well. I can see it. I'll continue this and I'll show you when it's done. Alright, we're going to add some gray to our seagull. And we're just going to pick a little pattern. So we'll start off like that. But we don't want to touch the last of the feathers. So I'm thinking like I said, we want to basically make sure we get it at all angles so it gets into the little cracks. And then most of it's going to be white underneath. Pretty sure that's what seagulls are. I think we're just going to blend in the white with the gray just at the bottom. sort of give him a look at the bottom. Like I said, make sure you hit it from every angle. Okay. So you can see we got our gray going on. What we'll do is we'll let it dry, and then we'll go back to the white and do that. All right, guys. So the seagull is done. Let me show you. There we go. It's all airbrushed. Now, I don't do feet very well, if you can see that. So what I did was, these are actually just skewers, and then I kind of put 3 together like that. Another skewer there, and then I put bounce sheets on top of it and glue the shit out of them. But then I don't like the feet, so I just put this stuff around it. So a little bit too high in the back, but he's at an angle, so that's okay. Kind of dips it. Eyes, still playing around with them. I don't know, it's supposed to be white with a little spot, so might have to play with that. Sitting good on there. The feathering, well, best as I can get it. I had to put this here. There's a hole in here. I had this, and this kind of keeps it straight up. And actually, for weight, because it's pretty heavy, there's marbles in here. And old marbles I didn't need. So put some glue in it, and yeah, that sucker's solid. It does look like it's should have been more, I don't know, whatever. It looks good, I think. Let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, show, everybody how to kind of thing. Tip jar at the bottom. And if I could do it, you could do it. Choose your own path, guys. Have a great day.